Oh, we are on the Watkin Path of Snowdon, and it's torrential, absolutely torrential rain. Yeah, we've done about 3 different walks today. 2 that were next to our campsite. One of them got blocked off from a load of water where the river had overflown and taken out the path. And then we thought we'd go and see the Watkin Path waterfalls and pools. Now, we've seen them, conquered them. Conquered them. Now it's time to get back and get dry, because we have been out in this all day.